All right, so let's continue our discussion on IELTS speaking. And as I was explaining in the last session, the questions could be about our daily living things. Okay, and today we're going to take up a very common areas of questions, and we'll see how we can answer these questions most comfortably, and most probably we will see how the two different answers can actually get you a better score, in fact. Okay, okay, now let's see if the question is about food here, right? So they may ask you questions, both opinion questions or general questions, right? Okay, so here, if the question is about what kind of food do you like the most? Okay, suppose if this is the question, then we have to start the answer with paraphrasing the question. So what do we actually mean by paraphrasing here? So paraphrasing basically means that we actually say the question or repeat that particular sentence in our own way so that we really get some time to think, as we don't really have any additional time given to prepare ourselves in part one of IELTS speaking, right? So what kind of food do you like the most, right? If this is the question. So if I answer this question like, well, I mostly like spicy food. If I say only this, most probably the chances that I get around band 4 or maybe band 5. That's all. Because here in this response, I really have not shown the ability to make sentences, or I have neither expressed any vocabulary which is suitable for the topic, like that. So this is one thing which is important for us to remember, that our answers have to be at least 3 to 4 sentences, and we have to give reasons for whatever answers that we actually given here, like that. Suppose if the same question is asked, so let's say another version of this, right? So well, what kind of food do you like the most? Okay, so for this question, let's say the second version of the answer. So, well, the kind of food I really love the most is spicy food, as it really offers different taste of ingredients, and also the kind of it's a feast to my taste buds, which really keeps me up all the time. In addition, I also would like to prefer sweet items occasionally, as it really gives me a break from regular spicy food that I mostly love to have, and offers me exotic range of food items, and that can be a kind of a change from the routine spicy food that I have. All right, so this is again another response that I gave you here. So two different responses we could look here, and the first response did not actually have any kind of vocabulary or the sentence structures, but the second one, you could notice that it had relevant vocabulary, plus the intonation and the fluency is something that was appropriate for the answer. And most importantly, that I expressed different sentence structures, which is really important in order to get the score for the grammar parameter. All right, so I will be coming up with more such responses and varied responses, which would give you a fair idea as how you need to answer questions in IELTS speaking. Also, we would be following up with other skills like listening, reading, writing also, and we'll see what best answers can be given even there. All right? So see you next time. Keep in touch. Thank you.